Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. After the last lesson, I had some people ask for extra help, and on the worksheet, I had some people that were a little bit confused on how to do those problems. So here's an extra video. I have some problems just like what you would see on the worksheet and what you would see on the quiz. If you can do these, you should be all set. Okay, so the first thing is, what is the difference between a minor arc, a major arc, and a semicircle? Minor arcs are the small arcs, and you only need 2 letters. Major arcs are the large arcs, and you need 3 letters to describe them. So that part's easy. Minor arc, major arc. A semicircle, that is an arc that goes from one end to another of a diameter. So right here I say the AD is a diameter. So arc A, F, D, that would be a semicircle. Sound easy enough? Okay, so let's go on to the measurements. So the first one, I'm looking for the measurement of arc BC. So when we look here, see how angle BC is 90 degrees, and the angle measurement and the arc measurement are the same for central angles. So if the measurement of arc BC, measurement of angle BEC equals 90, arc BC equals 90. Easy enough? Okay, next one, BCD. So BCD is right there. Now we know that angle CED is 45 degrees, and we know that angle BEC is 90 degrees. So basically if we add those two, we get that arc. So with this one right here, again, angle BC plus angle CD, that's going to be the whole entire arc measurement. So if this is 90 and that's 45, 90 and 45 make 135. There we go. So the next one we have is the measurement of arc CDA. So when you look at this, arc CD we know is 45. Arc DFA, well, if AD is a diameter, that makes this a semicircle, and a semicircle is 180 degrees, half of 360. So the measurement of arc DFA, which is a semicircle, 180. The measurement of arc CD, which is right here, 45, together, that's going to be 225 degrees. So to find the measurement of arc AB, we know that ABD, which is a semicircle because AD is a diameter, we know that this whole entire thing minus this arc and this arc is going to leave us with that. So in other words, this semicircle is broken up into 3 parts. We're trying to find that first part right there, AB. Well, if we take away the rest, that's all we're left with. We know the whole entire thing's 180. So 180 minus this, which is 90, minus this, which is 45, is going to equal AB. So here it is written out for you. And there's the numbers right there. And when you do the subtraction, you end up with 45 degrees. Okay, so in this problem right here, which is like the bottom half of the worksheet that I gave you, and you'll see questions on the quiz like this as well. ST and QR are diameters. So first thing that I'm asking you to find is RT. Well, if ST is a diameter, that means that this is a semicircle. That means that SRT is 180 degrees, and 180 minus 50 is going to equal this bit right here. So the measurement of SRT, this semicircle, minus SR is going to equal that remaining part. So if this is 180, subtract the 50, and when you do that, you get 130. And that's the measurement of RT. For QT, remember that these were diameters. That means that they are straight segments. When you have intersecting lines or segments, they create vertical angles. So if this is 50 degrees, this has to be 50 degrees. And if that's 50, this arc is 50, because the angle measurement and arc measurement, they're the same. Okay, next we have the measurement of arc SRQ. So here's S, here's R. We don't go backwards to Q, you have to keep going in order. So SRQ, it's going to be this way around, same order as here. So when we look at this, we know that SRQ is going to be this semicircle, SRT, which we know is 180 degrees, plus this little bit, TQ. Well, we just found out what that was because these were vertical angles. So in other words, 180 plus the 50. So Measurement of SRT plus measurement of QT is the same thing as 180 plus 50. This is going to equal 230. Okay, last one, measurement of arc RTS. Here's R, here's T, here's S. Well, remember, a whole circle is 360 degrees. So we want to know the measurement of this huge arc minus this one little bit. So it's going to be a whole entire circle, 360, minus this 50-degree chunk. 360 minus 50, that's going to be 310. And if you can do this, you should be set. Good luck.